Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. This is Teacher Glay. So today's video, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo yung retirement program. So isang Thai teacher ang magre-retire na. First time ko maka-experience to throughout my teaching here in Thailand. So ganito pala kapag may mag-retire. Talagang todo program at todo pakeme-keme. So, yan, nakikita nyo. Parang meron silang Thai dance. That's yung nakaupo sa gitna. Siya yung magre-retire na Thai teacher. So, yung mga students and Thai teacher, sumasayaw sila to pay respect. Ganon. Tapos kami, na umunwari, naglakad-lakad kami dyan sa red carpet day. Sabi nila Thai dress daw since wala akong Thai dress, naka-DIY Thai dress lang. After that, lumuhod kami sa kanya dahil nagbigay kami parang bracelet something to pay respect daw sa nag-retire. So, yan yung isa kong co-teacher, binigyan niya ng, lahat kami meron, binigay sa amin ng anek-anek yung bracelet to pay respect to him daw. So, parang ang kulang na experience kasi parang, alam mo yon first time yung naranasan na may ganito pala kapag mag-retire ka. Tapos, yan yung partner ko, nag-respect dance. Yun lang guys, see you sa part 2. Bye-bye.